About the stocks that are in the spotlight, what's on the radar this morning. Let's find out. Snehi is joining in with a list of all the stocks in news. Hi, Snehi.
Hi, well, yes, let's take a look at all the stocks that could be potential buzzers in today's trading session. On the back of their individual news flows, let's start by looking at Infosys. That company is expected to get a tax refund of 6,329 crore rupees, so that's a positive news for the company. Moving on, let's talk about Landmark Cars. They've expanded their brand offerings by adding Kia India to their product portfolio, so positive news over there as well. On the back of order wins, we'll have a bunch of stocks that will be in focus today. The likes of Torrent Power, the project cost is at 1,825 crore rupees. For RVNL, they've emerged as the lowest bidder for 3 projects, which is worth millions in one single day. So very positive for that company as well. For HAL, 1,173 crore rupees. That's the order win that they've bagged. Newgen Software, roughly 50 crore rupees. And for 8G Infra, they've bagged 2 orders worth a total of 64 crore rupees. On the back of capacity expansion also, then a whole host of stocks will be in focus. The likes of India Glycols, Uflex, Indian Oil Corp and Trident as well. Moving on, let's also take a look at rate gain, because the promoters have said that they do not see any reason for further divestment in the company after the company's promoter Megha Chopra has sold 25 lakh equity shares, and Society General has bought 9.3 lakh of those shares as well. Canara Bank will be the next stock in focus because they've received the approval to initiate the process of diluting 13% of the stake that they hold by the listing of Canara Robeco Asset Management Company. Lastly, let's also look at IMFA, or the Indian Metals and Ferro Alloys. Now, 3 pieces of news flow when it comes to this company. First, the board has approved withdrawing the scheme of amalgamation of Utkal Coal from NSE and BSE. It has also acquired the remaining shares of Utkal Coal by writing off a loan of 110 crore rupees and by also making an impairment provision of 111 crore rupees. Additionally, the company has sanctioned a 200 crore investment in the ethanol business, and they have also declared a special dividend of 15 rupees per share for FY24. So while all of these stocks will be in focus in today's trading session.
Absolutely. And Snehi, tell us all about ICICI Lombard's management meet and also Suven.
Well, yes, so both of these management meets were held over the course of the weekend. Let's start by looking at what ICICI Lombard's analysts meet. What are the key takeaways from that meet? Management has said that they aspire to increase their share in the health market from the current 3% to 4.5% in the next 3 to 5 years. They're saying that when it comes to the motor segment, they aim to operate within the 9.5 to 11% market share over there as well. Incident rate is 2 times lower when it comes to the motor insurance, and company will continue to invest in its digital as well as tech initiatives. In the medium term, along with scale benefits, they also aim to improve profitability, and digitization has enhanced the company's efficiencies and cut costs for the company as well. Data analytics is helping them in approaching a strategic approach, and they've also spoken about their app, which is the IL Take Care app. That app has seen a 2 times growth in downloads and has generated a 3.2x GWP, which is the gross written premium. And they're also saying that the use of generative artificial intelligence has resulted in a benefit of 30% when it comes to the company's productivity. So on the back of all of these key takeaways, we have 2 brokerage calls also coming in on this note. Motilal Oswal has maintained a buy rating on this stock with a price target of 2,000 rupees. Yes Securities has an add rating on this stock with a target price of 1,875. Next up, let's also take a look at what happened at the analyst meet of Suven Pharma. Now the company is saying that diversification is a real trend in the industry right now. Innovators are looking at expanding in geographies and supplies. Now Cohance Life Sciences, the company has gone ahead and announced a merger with this company. They're saying Cohance has significant capabilities and technical expertise in the ADC payload manufacturing. The next 2 to 3 quarters could remain challenging due to weak global macros and low funding in the global biotech space. But on the other hand, Suven also believes that some green shoots in the sector could emerge in the second half of this calendar year. They're saying once the macro environment improves, it would take roughly 6 to 18 months for that to reflect in the P&L of the CDMO firms. And other key challenges for Indian firms is the turnaround time and of low volume products, which is, mind you, still higher when it comes to China. So well, that's the note coming in on both of these analyst meetings that happened over the course of the weekend, ICICI Lombard as well as Suven Pharma.
Snehi,